Learning Adventures with Teacher Sarah, discovering the wonders of science and nature. Good morning, my wonderful students. Are you ready for another exciting day of learning? Today, we're going on an adventure to explore the amazing world of science and nature. Are you excited? Let's get started. Welcome to the jungle, everyone. Look around and see the tall trees, hear the chirping birds, and feel the warm breeze on your skin. Today, we're going to learn all about the animals that call this place home. Can you see the monkey swinging through the trees? Monkeys are excellent climbers, using their long arms and tails to move from branch to branch. Can you pretend to swing like a monkey? Swing, swing. Great job, everyone. Monkeys are just one of the many fascinating creatures that live in the jungle. Let's keep exploring. Now, we're in the desert. Look at the vast expanse of sand and the towering cacti. Even though it's hot and dry here, many animals have clever ways of surviving in this harsh environment. Do you see the snake? Snakes are amazing creatures that slither across the sand using their muscles. Can you slither like a snake? Slither, slither. Well done, everyone. Snakes are masters of camouflage, blending in with their surroundings to stay safe from predators. Dive into the ocean with me. Look at the vibrant coral reefs and the schools of fish swimming gracefully through the water. The ocean is teeming with life. Look at the sea turtle. Sea turtles are excellent swimmers, using their flippers to glide through the water. Can you swim like a sea turtle? Splish, splash. Wonderful. Sea turtles play an important role in keeping the ocean healthy and balanced. Boar. Now, we're in the icy Arctic, where everything is covered in snow and ice. Despite the cold temperatures, many incredible animals live here. Look at the polar bear. Polar bears are well adapted to the cold climate, with thick fur to keep them warm and large paws to help them walk on the ice. Can you stomp like a polar bear? Boom, boom. Fantastic. Polar bears are excellent swimmers too, using their strong strokes to move through the icy waters. What an amazing journey we've had exploring the wonders of science and nature. Remember, our world is full of incredible creatures, from the depths of the ocean to the tops of the mountains. Keep exploring, keep learning, and never stop wondering about the world around you. Until next time, my dear students, keep shining bright. Goodbye for now, my little explorers. See you on our next learning adventure.